Hey friend, welcome or welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a website that's set to revolutionize the way you learn online. This website is a one-stop hub for online courses and tutorials across a wide range of subjects. We're talking tech, business, arts, or personal development. Courses from top universities like Harvard University, MIT, Stanford University, Yale University, Columbia University, Princeton University, Duke University, University of California, Cambridge University, and a lot more. They have both paid and free courses. Free is the reason I'm making this video for you. So, if you're looking to upgrade your skills or explore new interests, you're watching the right video. Stay with me.
Hey, it's shout out time. I missed this. I want to give a shout out to our new subscribers. Aminu ID Funny Cute Kids user. Samuel Joanna from Zambia, thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. You know what? You too can get a shout out. All you need to do is subscribe to the channel and turn on your subscription to public before you subscribe so I can see you. Drop an engaging comment in this video and tell me where you're watching this video from, okay? Or share this video on your social media platforms and tag me at it's Mfon Akpan. Thank you so much.
So on this website, you can take courses on a wide range of subjects. Under marketing, we have digital marketing, Facebook marketing, Instagram marketing, e-commerce marketing, content marketing. We have data science, machine learning, Python, artificial intelligence, data and analytics, R programming. We have designing, development, JavaScript, front-end development and back-end development. We have courses on business, finance courses, health, personal development, language courses, music courses. You can even get materials to prepare for your IELTS, TOEFL, and CFA. So let's just take one random course. Let's take on business analytics. Here it says 15 best plus free business analytics certification. This list was updated last month, 2023. You can see that here. The first one is offered by IBM, MIT, National University of Singapore, Coursera, Duke University, PwC. So if you're looking to take on a career on business analytics or you want to transition into the industry, here is a good place to start. Let's check out other courses. Let's click on digital marketing. Okay. Yep, you can see here I said they have both paid and free courses, but I'm making this video because of free. So I'm going to filter this. Yeah. Alright, the institutions that offer free digital marketing certification according to this website, we have Google, Digital Define, we have Udemy again, Google, Coursera. For the one for Coursera, it's free trial, but you can actually get the package for free if you apply for financial aid. I have a video on the channel that will take you through the step-by-step process of applying for financial aid on Coursera. I will leave the link in the description. So let's say we want to take on the digital marketing specialization by Coursera. Click on it. Okay, so this is it. This is just to give you a sneak peek of what the video you're about to watch after this one is about. When you get to the dashboard of the course you want to apply for financial aid for, don't enroll for free. Click on financial aid available and follow the step-by-step process in the video and you're good to go. Okay. So another thing I want to show you on this website is that you can check out courses offered by a specific university. For instance, free courses offered by Harvard University. Let's click on it and see what we have. Okay, so let's filter this. So these are the list of free courses you can take from Harvard University. We have computer science for beginners. You have courses on artificial intelligence with Python. We have introduction to game development, statistics, and R. A lot of free courses that you can take. Benefits of enrolling in free Harvard University courses. Number one is the quality of education, flexibility of learning, career advancement, broad selection, networking opportunity. You can enroll for free. This is it, friend. This is it. I'm going to leave the link to this website in the description. Make sure to check it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for your time.